Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick crochet ponytail that I did on my hair. So I did leave the front of my hair out just to blend in with the ponytail, just to make it look like my natural hair, and then I went ahead and cornrowed down the back of my hair. It does not have to be perfect. You don't have to perfectly do it, and I know y'all see that length, but I went ahead and crocheted the back of my head, putting all the braids together because I did not know how to sew all my braids together. Pretty simple. And this is what the back looked like after I after I braided everything back, just perfectly tucked and away. Ahead and used Afro kinky hair. You can use any texture of hair depending on your hair type, but I went ahead and used this brand. It was very cheap from my local beauty supply store, and then I just started crocheting right away. If you don't know how to crochet, this is just a simple tutorial where you just put the hair into the hook, and then you pull it, and then you just put the hair through. I don't know how to further explain how to crochet, but it's not complicated at all. I believe I used 2 packs total for this ponytail that I did on my hair, but I just continued crocheting everything, and I had some trouble in some parts, but that was all that I did. So this is what the hair was looking like halfway through the crochet. It was a lot of hair. Okay, it was a lot. It was very, very full. I made sure it was full. And that's what the texture looked like. I do brush the hair out throughout wearing it just to give me more of a natural look, because my texture is not perfectly like that, and I don't think it's even close to it being like that. But so this is what the hair was looking like after I crocheted almost everything. Very full, like I said, very nice. I think it looks so cute. I don't know where I got this idea from, but so then now I'm just taking out my natural hair and making sure to blend it in perfectly. You can also do this style with the side part. I actually wanted to do a side part, but I didn't realize I turned it into a middle part. Make sure you have enough hair out so it can cover all the tracks from the crochet. Definitely make sure you have enough hair. But I didn't record the ending of this. I did use gel to gel my hair down. I didn't use a lot of gel in the beginning. Excuse me, I was eating some juicy ass watermelon. But back on track. I didn't use a joke. I didn't use much gel the first day I wore this hairstyle out, but in the last clip of this video I definitely used Gorilla Glue, and I believe got to be the black one gel to lay this down very flat. You're gonna probably need a string to help tie it back, but this was a very cute hairstyle. I feel like I'm talking too much, but this is a very cute, simple hairstyle that I believe lasted me, I think, more than 2 weeks. right now I'm just going ahead and making sure that all the tracks are covered with my own hair, and you know, my hair is not pulled too much, and I think it looks cute already, if I say so myself. But I'm gonna show you clips that I took on Snapchat of the end of this hair and a video I took when I fully like gelled it down. But anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you try this hairstyle out, and if you do, let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna leave you to watch the end of this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.